Are you looking to buy Poco F4 5G? Then you should watch this video to the end, otherwise you will start hating this phone. Subscribe to know about problems on any phone you want. Poco F4 5G is the most promising flagship Poco phone right after Poco F4 GT. Poco F4 comes with a Snapdragon 870 CPU, which is better at performance than last year's Poco X3 Pro, which has Snapdragon 860. But the price difference between both the phones is very large. The major concern of everyone is regarding the quality of hardware used by Poco, as almost all Poco phones develop motherboard problems after intense gaming or heating of the phone. This means Poco F4 heating problem during gaming test as well as charging test with the 67-watt fast charger can cause motherboard problems, which is why people say Poco phones will die after 1 year. So maybe this is the reason why Poco is starting to give 2-year warranties to attract customers now. The hardware on Poco F4 5G can handle games like PUBG, Call of Duty, BGMI, Apex Legends, etc. While camera is good with optical image stabilization and can record videos at 4K at 60 FPS. Poco F4 5G have many serious problems that everyone should know. First problem with Poco F4 5G is touchscreen problem. There is touch unresponsiveness in some Poco F4 models, which is clearly hardware related. I have already covered this in my previous Poco F4 5G review, and I will leave links in the description to that video. Watch that video to know about how you can test your phone for this problem. Second problem is camera problem. The video camera on Poco F4 shows lag and hang. This seems like a problem of system camera app, and this can be avoided by using Google Camera or GCam. Watch my Poco F4 5G camera test video to learn more about this problem. Third problem is Poco F4 brightness bug after latest MIUI 13 software update. The brightness slider does not increase or decrease the brightness even when we are moving it. The phone is not responding to the brightness slider and the brightness level is not at all changing. This problem keeps on happening occasionally and is definitely a software related bug. This issue can be solved by collapsing the control center bar and opening it again and trying to use the brightness control bar again. The second and third problems on the phone can be fixed by latest Poco F4 new software updates, but the first problem is definitely hardware related issue which has occurred only on a few phones. So remember to check your phone for these issues after buying it. Thanks for liking this video, subscribing to my channel and being a part of my smartphone user community. If you want to consider iQOO Neo 6 over Poco F4 5G, then definitely watch this video to learn about problems on the phone.